Hello, Lorraine Bowen here. 10 years ago, we mended my Samsonite case. I take this on all my gigs all over the country, and the wheels were in a right old state, so we replaced them with roller skate wheels. Do you remember that? That was 10 years ago. Well, now they've been kind of getting a little bit rough around the edges, so we decided to replace them 10 years later. And you know, I thought 10 people would watch this video. 355,000 have watched it to date, which just shows you how rubbish the wheels of these Samsonite cases are. The rest of it's great. The zips have lasted really well, but the wheels haven't. And I really, really advise you to follow the instructions and try and recycle, rewear, reuse stuff rather than throwing it in landfill. Let's go!
Olá pessoal, todo mundo mexendo, bailando agora, 1, 2, 3 e... Dançando agora já.